In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in an email in Gmail. This is a handy trick, and whether you're a business professional looking to enhance your emails or just someone who enjoys sending beautifully crafted messages, it's a skill that can really make your emails stand out. To start off, open your internet browser and go to Gmail. You'll need to log into your account with your usual credentials. Once logged in, click on the Compose button in the upper left corner of the screen to create a new email message. This will open up a new window where you can begin crafting your email. Before we proceed with adding an image, you'll need to make sure you have the image saved on your computer. If you haven't prepared one yet, take a moment to download or locate the picture you want to use. Gather your materials so that everything is in an easy-to-access spot. Now, with your Compose window open, focus on that blank email canvas. Place your cursor in the body of the email where you intend the image to appear. Next, look down to the bottom of your email window. You'll notice a toolbar with various icons. Click on the small camera icon that says Insert Photo when you hover over it. This action will prompt a window to open, allowing you to choose a file from your computer. Select the image file you'd like to hyperlink and click Open. The image will now be inserted into your email message. Make sure it's positioned exactly where you want it. If it's too large or too small, adjust the size by clicking on the image, dragging its corners inward or outward to your preferred dimensions. With the image in place, it's time to add the hyperlink. Click once on the image to select it. You should see it outlined or highlighted, and a small menu will appear below it. Here, you'll find a link icon resembling a chain link. Click on this link icon to bring up a pop-up that allows you to enter the URL you'd like to attach to your image. Carefully type or paste your desired URL into the URL field. Make sure it includes http or https to ensure proper functionality. Double-check the address to prevent any errors. Nothing is more frustrating than a broken link. Once you've entered the URL correctly, click OK to finalize this step. Congratulations, the image in your email is now hyperlinked. Before sending, you might want to test your hyperlink by sending the message to yourself first. This step ensures everything looks and works as expected and gives you peace of mind. And there you have it, a hyperlinked image in a Gmail email. This simple skill can greatly enhance the clarity and polish of your online communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy incorporating this tip into your future emails.